the best forex trading platform. Today I'm going to share 8 best forex trading platform that you can choose to trade with if you're a beginner or even an expert. And I'm going to make everything simple. So the best forex trading platform can vary depending on your trading style, experience and preferences. However, some of the most popular forex trading platforms are 1. MetaTrader 4, popularly known as MT4. Alright, MetaTrader 4 or MT4 is very popular among forex traders, especially beginners, because it offers a user-friendly interface, charting tools, and a large library of indicators and expert advices. It is available on both desktop and mobile phones, so you can go to your Play Store or Apple Store and download the MetaTrader 4 or the MT4. Let's move on to the next best forex trading platform on my list. The second best forex trading platform on my list is MetaTrader 5, known as MT5. It is a more advanced version of MetaTrader 4. Alright, so if you are using MetaTrader 4, when you move to MetaTrader 5 or MT5, you will see that this is an advanced version of the MetaTrader 4. It comes with additional features like time frames, more order types, and a built-in economic calendar. With MetaTrader 5, it is more suitable for forex traders and people who are trading stocks and other asset classes. So you can actually use MetaTrader 5 if you are a beginner trading stocks, forex trading, and any other commodities. Let's move on to the third best forex trading platform on my list. The third best forex trading platform on my list is the CTrader, known for its intuitive design and advanced charting tools. It is great for both manual and algorithmic trading. It offers fast execution speed and a comprehensive range of tools for technical analysis. So if you're a technical analysis person, CTrader, in my opinion, is the best forex trading platform that you have to use to trade. Let's move on to the fourth best forex trading platform on my list. By the way, if this video is helping you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, because in my next coming videos I will walk you through step by step everything you have to know about these forex trading platforms. So moving on to the fourth best forex trading platform on my list, NinjaTrader is the fourth best forex trading platform on my list if you're a beginner or advanced forex trader. It is also good option for both forex and futures trading. Highly customizable and great features for forex traders. Highly customizable and great for experienced traders who need a range of advanced charting and technical analysis tools. The fifth best forex trading platform on my list is TradingView. TradingView is mainly a charting platform but also allows trading through integrated brokers. It is known for its social aspects where traders can share strategies and analysis. Very user-friendly with powerful charting tools. Thinkorswim by TD Emirate Trade is one of the best forex trading platform if you're a beginner or even an advanced forex trader. It is excellent for US-based traders, offering forex as well as stocks, options, and futures trading. It also comes with highly customizable and advanced charting tools. If you want to know much about this best forex platform that I'm talking about, then subscribe to the channel, because I will come back and walk you through the various platforms. Without wasting much of your time, let's move on to the next best forex trading platform on my list. The next best forex trading platform on my list is Interactive Brokers, popularly known as BKR. Interactive Brokers is more suitable for experienced traders and investors. So if you are an investor, you can use interactive brokers. Moving on to the last best forex trader on my list is Etro, known for social trading, where you can follow and copy the trade of others. So if you are a beginner, you can use Etro so that you can copy and follow people who are experienced traders. Easy for beginners and offers a wide range of asset classes to trade, including forex. So if you are looking for the best forex trading platform, then among these 8 platforms that I've shared in this video, you can pick any of them. But my best, I am using MetaTrader 4 and MT5. Leave a comment, let me know the one that you're gonna pick from this video, and subscribe to the channel. Come back, because I will walk you through step by step how to create an account with each of them without wasting much of your time. Watch the next video that will show you. If you want to know the best forex broker that allows you to make deposit or withdraw your money through mobile money, I mean Momo, then watch the next video that will pop up on the screen. If this video helps you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel. Until then, hand to head, salute.